Hi, Imran from Sound Security in East London here. Just finished installing front and rear Super HD dash cams on this BMW 4 Series. The dash cameras we've used are QVIA AR790s. New dash cams on the market, very good, very competitively priced. Let me show you the rear. So that's the rear one there, nice and neatly tucked away in the roof lining, and front camera is just there. The cameras, as I said, are Super HD, so they'll give you 1440p, very clear. They come with an app which you can view your footage on your phone through Wi-Fi. So yeah, thanks for watching. Give us a call if you're interested in getting this done on your vehicle. Thank you. Bye bye.